Welcome to the future of AI. Make sure to subscribe so you don't miss out. Hey guys, what is up? I just wanted to reflect over this last year. I started the channel just about 10 months ago, and the growth has been astronomical, but that's not even the crazy part in my opinion. The crazy thing is how many new models and the pace of the new models that we're getting. It seems like there's a new release every single day. And yes, that was an avatar. That wasn't me. I use Kling's new model that just came out today, yet another release. I know this is the third video, but it's Kling's Avatar V2, and it's extremely impressive. Okay, so soon you should be able to view it somewhere on the website. I don't see it on my personal account, but how I did do the test is I went to FAL AI. I'll have this link in the description. It's the AI Avatar V2, and then over here we have Standard and we have Pro. So I was using the Pro model. The main difference is you're going to be paying roughly 10 cents per second on the Pro version versus the standard version over here, which will cost you about half of that. And if you're relatively new to dabbling with AI, one of the things that's super good about this model is you can upload your own speech into it as an MP3, and then it's going to lip sync your avatar onto your speech. And the reason why this is so good is it's very hard to replicate your speech with an AI model, which you can try on 11 Labs, but oftentimes the audio of your voice is going to be a bigger tell than the actual video. Now, let me just play this example right here so you can get another look of what the avatar looks like.
Welcome to Cat Facts, where we explore the fascinating world of our feline friends. Did you know that cats spend 70% of their lives sleeping, which means a 3-year-old cat has only been awake for about 9 months of its life?
So there's a little bit of like a lack of expression and maybe movement on the body, but you can see like the neck and the teeth. The teeth are a good example of something that VO3, like honestly, when you zoom it in really closely or you watch it on a big screen, you see them morph together. And I think Kling has done a really good job of improving that. And my ultimate review when it comes to this is, you know, it's not perfect for full size. I think there are certain cases and maybe setups in which you can get it to do it just perfectly. But in general, if you're trying to do like a small face cam in the corner, like the way I record videos, then I think that is going to be a lot more of a possibility for replacement with a technology like this. And now I want to show you an example that I found on X. By the way, you can follow me, x.com/mentor. I thought this was a really good example of how insanely realistic this model can get.
Kling Avatar 2 has arrived. Upload an image of a character, enter in some speech, or upload your audio, and let the magic happen.
This can even be done at 1080p and 30 frames per second. With longer outputs as well, you can get the most out of your characters.
Kling also has a range of preset voices for you to try.
So as you can see, it looks insanely realistic. And for an advertising use case, this is super important because oftentimes you just want to have someone in the company giving a long dialogue, and that's extremely hard to do with Kling's other models, VO3 and stuff like that, that's limited to like 5 to 10 seconds. This will allow you to do a much longer generation. I'm not sure what the max is, but like I said before, it's 5 or 10 cents per second, which is not too bad when it comes to creating advertisements. And I'm definitely going to be experimenting with this more in the future. The cool thing is on FAL, you can hook it up to N8N or any other platform if you want to do stuff in an automated manner. Tell me what you thought of the avatar overall. People are definitely critical of AI use and, you know, the whole term slop that came out this year. Now, it's really easy to see an avatar and see the tell on YouTube and be like, oh, I'm not going to watch this because I don't trust the content. But if the person is like scripting the entire content themselves and recording it on a microphone, I could see a really good situation in the near future when these models become indistinguishable from the real person, that it could be a substitute. Let's just say I'm somewhere where I don't have a camera or lighting or anything to do a video. I could simply just spin up one of these avatars of myself, record with the microphone, and then just post a video. So let me just show you one more demo. And I'm gonna make this video quick, honestly, because so many Kling releases this week. I've been working all week on exclusive content for my school community in the classroom. Some of it just got released. I'm being relatively quiet about it because we have two bigger releases with 2 other people I'm working on, and when all of that is done, I'll be sure to let everyone know. And let me just leave you off with one last demo, and I'll see you guys later.
Hi everyone. Today I'm here to talk about something that will change your life. It's the pocket-sized personal trainer. You can't see it because it's very small. Extremely small. In fact, if you can see it, you bought the wrong product. But trust me, it is powerful. It shouts motivational quotes at you from your pocket. Mine told me this morning, do 10 push-ups. And I said, absolutely not. And that's the beauty of it. It tries and you ignore it. And somehow you still feel healthier. So get yours today. It won't help you, but it will definitely try.